Looking to purchase in an established community in the southwest of Calgary? Check. If you're looking to be on a quiet cul-de-sac, got that for you too. That's checked off. How about a renovated property from top to bottom? Check that off the list. AC for you when it gets too hot in the summer? Check. How about a heated garage to get you all snug in the winter? Check as well. Drew Allum here with the Calgary Home Sale Channel. I am a realtor here in the city of Calgary, and it sounds like I've got the perfect house for you. Today we're going to tour this renovated property in Cedarbrae. It's 3 bedrooms up, 3 full baths, 1 half bath, and a fully finished basement. I mentioned the oversized detached garage that was heated. There's also an additional parking out towards the back that's perfect for a 3rd car or a recreational vehicle. Now I'm going to tell you something, if you stick around till the end of this video, special about this specific cul-de-sac in Cedarbrae. Don't miss out on that one. And here we are inside the property at 44 Cedarwood Bay Southwest. Now, getting into an established community with mature trees is great, but sometimes with some of the older homes in these established communities, they're not always updated. No problem here. You're going to see throughout this tour, we've got a lot of updates to show off. And even here, this is something we don't typically see in a home of this size, a 2-story with a front formal office. I'm really impressed with the layout and the use of space, even just on the main floor of this house. So we just came from the office. As you come in the door, if you come to the right, we're over here in the front sitting area, and we even have a fantastic formal dining space. You can have breakfast or just spend time with your family right here. So many times you might find yourself complaining that I don't have enough space in my kitchen. That's not going to be an issue here. Taking a look around, you see you've got lots of storage space, including your upper cabinets and below. Now the drawers and the doors are all soft close for you. And look at the amount of counter space that you have. This is all quartz, and if you've got multiple appliances that you want to be putting up here, they're not going to be bumping in and cluttering up your countertop. You have space for your toaster or your coffee maker. The great thing about this house, you got all brand new appliances in here. Your dishwasher, new refrigerator, and look at this, for the chef in the house, we do have a gas range for you. And there's still more to see on this level of the house. Main floor laundry over here, as well as a 2-piece bath for your guests. And this is my favorite room on the main floor of this property. I can see myself sitting down here, probably after dinner, next to the fireplace, just taking in the ambience of the backyard. If you're looking for more great properties like this, whether you are in the market for a home for sale for you to live in and relax just like I am, or if you're looking for an investment property, make sure you follow this channel. As a matter of fact, I'm going to relax and I'll let you subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss another video. Well, I guess I have to get up. There's more to see on the tour. Let's take a look upstairs. And as I mentioned before, there are 3 bedrooms up. We've got 2 here towards this side of the house. Right over here is your 4-piece bathroom. But what I really want to show you upstairs is the primary suite. As we come inside, you'll see there's lots of space in here. You can actually have a king size setup. There's a queen setup in here right now, but still space for side tables and even an armoire behind me. We've got the closets here as well. Heading over this way, we're going to take you into the ensuite, which has dual sinks, stand-up shower, and toilet. All the features that your family wants upstairs and a well-appointed main floor. Now, you're not going to find many of these features in homes for sale today in this community, but we're not done. We're going to take a look at the basement. So far, so good, right? Main floor, beautiful. Upstairs, super inviting. Take a look downstairs here in the basement. We've got a second living space for you. Would love to see a TV up on the wall. Couches here. This could be family movie night. If you have older kids or guests, we've got another massive bedroom down here and another full bathroom. But we're not done with the tour downstairs. Let's come over to the other side. There's a flex area. This would be perfect if you wanted your downstairs gym, or if you were playing cards, or you wanted a toy area or games area for the kids. The tour inside this beautiful house is done, but let's take a look outside at this sunny west-facing backyard. Great space for the family to hang out, even if you've got pets, lots of space to run around. Now this here facing west on this pie lot, we've got lots of sunlight But even with the trees here, there's going to be some privacy for you coming into spring and summer. We've got space for an oversized double detached garage, which has a workbench inside. It's also heated, and the lot continues. There's even more space on the other side, as it is a gate, which you can actually put another third vehicle or a trailer or RV on the other side. Lots here on this lot for you to enjoy. And there you have it, a great property and rare find here in Cedarbrae in the southwest of Calgary. Now, if you're not familiar with the southwest or are new to the city, Cedarbrae, the community, is situated between Southland Drive and Anderson Road, with Satina Trail to the west. Schooling is available for kindergarten through to junior high in both the public and Catholic schools. If you have any questions about this property, leave it in the comments section down below. You can also contact me. My information is in the description if you are looking to actually tour the property as well. Now, I said at the top of this video, I was going to tell you something special about this specific cul-de-sac here in Cedarbrae. Now, there's a tradition that's been happening here for quite a few decades, we found out. There's a permitted block party that happens here in the summer. So the owner of this house, whoever that will be, is going to be invited to be a part of that. It's blocked off, everyone comes out and has a great time. So if that sounds like something you and your family are going to want to be a part of, then this just might be your house in Cedarbrae. I'm Drew Allum with the Calgary Home Sale Channel, Calgary Realtor with Redline Real. If you want to get a hold of me, you can reach me here. If you want to check out more cool home tour videos like this one, check here. And to make sure you don't miss another video we post, just subscribe.